What's up, Airsoft World? Thanks for checking out my video. This one's me and my buddies from TS6. At the end of the game of Homeland, we just decided to do a little fun video of us knife fighting. So I hope you enjoy. Hey.
Alright.
Dale.
Dale, güey.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Renee's backing up, bro. Let's go, bro. Oh, he's holding it like Axel.
Wait, can we? Okay, okay. Stop his arm? You can do whatever, but you can. With the knife, you get your dad. You can block his knife. Hey, Renee about to punch you or something.
I got his hand. I got him.
Hey, Renee's about to punch you or something.
I know. He's a rating champ. I'm gonna go against you. What the fuck is going on?
Let's go, Vato! Oh, you got my finger.
Alright.
Yeah.
I want to try to go against. He's a rating champ. I want to go against you. These people are probably fucking watching us down here like, what the fuck is going
Ready,
on?
Vato? You want some, bro?
Let's go, Vato!
Wah, wah. Got him!
You
Yeah!
got my finger.
The champ!
Let me see. I want to try to go against. Oh. No, you get your sushi knife.
What you got? What you got? What you got here? Let's see.
Roger that.
Wait, let me get on the other side.
I got a 20 on the knife.
Get both angles. Get that, Vato! Your sushi knife. Wait, let me get on the other side. Get both angles. Get both angles. Get that, Vato!
I don't know. Let's do it again. Let reset.
Alright, I got a knife too. I got a knife too.
Like punch.
You, but you got him. Did you get him with the knife though? Needs to be with the knife. Needs to be with the knife. Hit. Trevor won. Trevor won that one.
Who's next?
Renee again.
These people are down here like, what the fuck?
Hold on. Why are you getting in front of me? Right there. Hit.
That's it.
Look at it first.
Did you get it, Trevor? Did you miss?
Did I hit you?
I didn't feel. I got my best.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, try it again. Ready, go. Round two.
Oh
This guy got you trouser.
Yeah, he got the shoulder, and then you got him second.
Alright,
Try it again.
last one.
Let's tie it up. 1-1.
What the fuck? I got him.
You got it. You got it.
What are those moves?
You ready for this, Vato? I'm quickly lightning. Okay, this deserves a slow motion. Let's watch this one more time. This thing was so quick. Like, we need to watch this in slow motion. Here I go with the kill. Right to the head. Trevor, take that. You didn't even see that coming. He didn't get to block anything. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this, small clip of us just goofing off and stuff. So please subscribe if you want to continue to watch more videos, and hit that like button as well. Thanks a lot, guys.